Let's discuss how to run an app on precisionFDA. In the Apps section of the website, in the Explore category, you will see all the apps that have been made publicly available by the precisionFDA community. For every app, you'll see the name of the app, how many people have run it before, called explorers, as well as whether you have run it before and whether you've run this exact version or not. In this demo, we'll choose this app called PWA-MEM Map Illumina Reads. This is an application that runs PWA in order to map one or more FASTQ files to the human genome. When I click on this app, I am taken to the page describing the inputs and outputs that this app requires, as well as a README. The README is always a good starting point for me to understand what does this app do and what should I use if I want to run it. So you'll notice here, if I read the README, that this app maps FASTQ reads to the human reference genome using PWA-MEM. If I choose to run this app, all I need to do is click the Run App button. This will present me with the inputs that are required for this app. I can name this invocation anything I want. So in this case, let me call it My Demo Exome Mapping. Now I need to choose particular inputs. You'll notice some of them have been actually colored red. That means they are required. And so I need at least to provide a reads file with the first mates. I can click Select File and choose a file. In this case, I have an exome that I've uploaded and I can choose. And if my input is a paired end sequencing, then I can provide the second FASTQ file as well. If I have a question as to what one of these options represents, then I can hover over and I will be shown some additional information. In this case, the sample is a string without spaces describing the sample that will appear as read group and in the sample field in the VCF. Let me call this just exome. I can also tweak further the other parameters or keep the defaults. When I'm ready, I can click on Run App, and this will launch this app on the cloud to work on these exact particular inputs. Let's see what the output looks like. Here, I have previously run it. In this job, you'll see my inputs on the left and my outputs on the right. So the app created a BAM file and its associated index, as well as a file describing the duplication metrics. You'll also see that the app took 3 minutes and 14 seconds. And I can even click View Log and look at the exact log, the standard error and standard output of the particular machine that was used to run this particular analysis. From here, I can actually access the outputs and I can download them, or I can use them as inputs to other analyses. Or if these are text files, such as in this example, the duplication metrics, I can simply open them within the web browser and look at the files right away. Finally, I can share this invocation with others by publishing the job or by attaching it into a note and then publishing the note. Thank you.